this video, I'll teach you how to create a dashboard in Notion to plan your day and keep track of your tasks. Hello, I'm Tatiana. Welcome to Organize with Notion. I'll start by creating a page by clicking on New Page in the left side menu. I will use an empty page. Next, I'm going to put a cover by clicking on Add Cover. I'll pick a cover from Unsplash. If you want to reposition the cover image, click Reposition and adjust the image. And then click Save Position. Once that's done, I'm going to click on the right side menu and check the full width option. To close the side menu, you can click here or use the shortcut. In the body of the page, I'm going to create two columns by typing /2 columns. I'll start with the left column, creating a highlight block by typing /callout. This will contain the focus for the week. I will bold the selected text and put each priority on a separate line. To change the background color to gray, click on the 6 dots, select Color, and then choose Gray. I will also change the icon. I'm going to click on it and choose the gray color. Then I'll search for the target icon. To create a divider for the next section of the dashboard, type /divider. For today's tasks, I will create a database. I'm going to click on the plus and choose a database with a list view. I'll select a new database and rename it to Tasks. I will click on the database menu and modify the design. I will rename the view and change the icon. I will remove the tags property from the properties. I will click on it, and then I will click on Delete Property. Next, I will do the same thing with the property created. To indicate when the task should be done, I will click on New Property and create a Date property. I'll also create a checkbox-like property to indicate that the task is done. I will show only the done status of a task along with its name. To make a task, click New at the end of the database. Enter the name and date of the task. I'm going to make a filter to show only the tasks for today. I'll click on the Filter button, then select Date and choose this day. This will show only the tasks that are due today. I'll only display tasks that still need to be done. To do this, I'll add a filter. Select the Done property and choose the tasks that haven't been checked yet. The view shows only the tasks that have not been done yet today. To make a divider for the next section of the dashboard, click on the plus button and then select Divider. I will make two ways to see tasks, by week and by month. For the week's tasks, I will use /linked database to view the task database. I will select Task Database and then click New View. This will show a calendar. I'll change the icon and name to Week. In Show Calendar As, I'll pick Week. Click Done. In Properties, I'll show the Done property. To see this week's tasks, click on Today. To navigate to other weeks, use the arrows. To return to the current week, click on Today again. To change a task's date on the calendar, select it and move it to the new date. To mark a task as completed, click the checkbox next to Done on the calendar. To add a task to your calendar, either click the plus button and the date will be pre-filled, or click New and fill in all the details. Next, I'll make a divider for the next section of the dashboard by typing 3 dashes. I will display the tasks by month using the same process as the weekly view. First, I'll type /link database and select the task database. Then I'll create a new empty view named monthly and change its icon accordingly. Click Done. Finally, I'll configure the view's properties to display the Done property. To view tasks for the current month, click on Today. To view tasks for upcoming months, use the arrows. On the right side, I'll add a clock using a widget from the Widgetbox website. To begin, visit Widgetbox app and sign up for a free account. You can make up to 5 widgets for free. I will add a digital clock widget by clicking on Create. You can modify the colors in the color section and adjust the size in rounded. I prefer to keep the clock in 24-hour format. To add this integration to your Notion page, copy the link and paste it. Click on Create Embed and then adjust the clock size. I will place a calendar below the clock. Then I will open the widget box and select Create on the calendar widget. You can change the colors and borders of the calendar on this page. To add the integration to your Notion page, copy the link and paste it. Then click on Create Embed and adjust the calendar size to your preference. To create a divider for the next section, I will type 3 dashes. This section is for quickly writing down ideas and notes. I will make the text bold and type /gray background to change the background color. I will use a dash followed by a space to mark each idea. To duplicate bullets, use the Ctrl+D shortcut. To create a new divider, type /divider. Next, insert an inspiration image by typing /image. You can add a picture by either uploading it from your computer, using a link, or uploading a picture from Unsplash. You can also search for a GIF. I will look for a picture on Unsplash. If the picture is too large, you can adjust its size here. You can also adjust how the content is positioned on the page. I'll keep the image in the center. Use this template to create a basic dashboard in Notion and see an overview of your day. I hope this video helped you. See you next time.